Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how to fix music failed to play tracks error on Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this restart icon. Again click on this restart icon. Use your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, click on apps. After click on apps, click on CR. Scroll down and search music app from here. Click on music app and click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Click on system reset option and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.